Gani mambo sikwembusha matimba.
My name is Pastor Sifiso. I am a pastor here at Christian Life Ministries, CLM. Today we just had a Sunday night live service. And normally what we do with the Sunday night live is that it is a service to just praise God and give Him glory. We focus that. We normally have that every 3 or 4 months. We have it, and then it's just a moment where we come together to praise and glorify God. It is a praise time and a worship time with the preaching of the word and a call to salvation. And also what we do is that each time we come up with a different theme as to what it is that we are going to be focusing on in our praise and worship time. Today, what we were doing is that our focus was specifically on Christ, the glorious King. And it was a wonderful time that we had in the presence of God. People got saved. The worship was glorious. It was amazing. The praise was just joyful and so wonderful. And we praise God for that.